Hello, my beautiful Nino. This is a testimonial video to say thank you. Thank you for your amazing heart. Thank you for your amazing words, your word of inspiration. You have blessed me as as Annette, a person that I love and you love me. But you also bless our beautiful viewers on E360 with all the beautiful golden nuggets and words that you have bestowed on us during the Power Hour TV shows and Soul of a Diamond TV show, and then also on Soul Diamond Author's Journey. I'm so proud of your book. I'm so proud of you. I just want to say to you, please continue with your mission, healing millions, because you are making an impact, a difference in this world. And I'm truly honored to know you, to love you, and to say, yes, I know beautiful Nina. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you, my beautiful one. Mwah.